Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll and find the password and security. Then let's enter system security, and here we have to scroll down to the others. Now let's tap on credential storage, and as you can see at the bottom we've got remove all user certificates, so simply tap on it and confirm it. If you've got pattern, pin or password, we have to enter it to confirm, and as you can see we had the information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. What is more, here we've got the evidence because we cannot tap on this option anymore. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.